our 100 count mini pancake maker. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 21 3/4 inches, a depth of 22 1/2 inches, and a height of 6 3/4 inches tall. Coming to the top will be 10 by 10 rolls to create your mini pancakes. Measurements for the cooking area for your mini pancakes will include 19 7/16 in length, 19 1/2 inches in depth, and the measurements for each pancake insert we have 1 1/2 inches. And right below will be 2 power switches along with the light indicators. And coming to the left and right will be temperature and timer controls. Coming to the back of the pancake maker will be 2 110 120 voltage plugs along with your electrical information for this pancake maker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.